If you want to illustrate something about some objects, then the best option you may have using 3D objects. If you want to tell something about some engine or some object, if you want to teach students about plant cells, if you want to teach students about physics diagrams, then simply drawing the diagrams on a paper is not sufficient. The best way is to show them 3D objects. Nowadays, 3D technology helping the teachers to create good lessons or their presentation in a better way. So the main thing comes to mind, from where we find these 3D objects. Can we make it ourselves or we have to download it from other websites? The answer for both of these is yes. These are available on websites at free of cost. There are so many websites from where you can download these 3D objects. And the most easiest part is that you can make them yourself. There are various software which are available nowadays. Some of them are free and some of them you can purchase if you want. I will talk about two main software which are available for almost all users, and all these softwares which I am going to discuss in this video are free also. The first software is Blender. Blender is a powerful software to make 3D objects. Let's take a small look of this. Blender is one of the most powerful software to create 3D objects, 2D animations and various other video editing effects which are related to various kinds of animations or 3D object making. While you open Blender, you observe this type of screen first time. There are some general 2D sculpting, VFX and video editing options for a new file. This software is so much powerful that most of the games which are available now are made in Blender. If you are new to Blender, then links are provided on the same screen. By clicking these links, you goes to the Blender website where lots of tutorials are available. You can download user manual from there, or you want to learn from that, you can easily do. Also, lots of videos are available on YouTube from where you can learn by making or using of Blender. If you have not so much experience of video making and you are new to this industry, then Blender may be a not a good option, because you have to learn a lot of things about Blender. Because the if you see the menus and using of this, that will be very puzzling. But in comparison to other software, other 3D making software, the interface of this Blender is very easy or easy to understand. It's on you how much time you take to learn Blender. It may take 1 to 2 months to know the features of this completely. But after using this, you will find yourself so much creative and you can do a lot of things in this software. I think this software is full of features, and the main thing about this Blender is that after so much powerful tools, it is free. It is an open source software so that you can use it free on your system. Other same types of software are costly, so investing so much amount in those software at this point, I think it's not a good option. So the Blender is the best option if you are using, you want to spend some time to learn it and then use it in your future or upcoming projects. If you don't want to use this software in your upcoming project, don't want to learn so much about these things, and you are restricting yourself some basic things, then there is a more interesting software. Here you see that a lot of features are available in Blender, but the main thing is to learn to use it. It takes a lot of time. So there is another option which takes no time to learn or very less time to use it. That software is available free of cost and is available for all Windows user. This software is not available for Mac right now, since Blender is open source software, and also it is available for all kinds of platform, that is Mac as well as Windows or Linux. You can use it. Now The Paint 3D is available in Windows. It comes pre-installed with Windows. If this is not available in your Windows, then you can download it from Microsoft Store. It is easy to use, and the main feature is that there are loads of 3D objects which are pre-made in this software. You can use them. You can easily draw lines, you can move the pipes. If you have a picture of car and you want to make it 3D, then it can be made using with the help of this software. The software is integrated with other Microsoft softwares also, so that you can use this software in those, that is PowerPoint, Word, and so on. So this is very helpful for teachers so that they can use the diagrams in their PowerPoint presentations and other software. For PowerPoint presentation, I made a different video. You can watch that, and using 3D objects in PowerPoint, I will make another video. You can watch that video also by subscribing the channel and pressing the notification icon. When I will upload that video, you will get a notification. One most easy to use 3D making software is Paint 3D, which is pre-installed with Windows 10. If you install new Windows 10, then you find this software installed with your Windows system. So every Windows system have Paint 3D. If it is not available in your Windows, then you can download it from additional features which are available in settings. So here is the interface of Paint 3D, where you can make lots of 2D and 3D objects. I'm just introducing you what kind of things you can do with this. Here is a library of 3D objects from where you can use pre-made 3D objects. Here are some collections. For example, animals are here. You can see various types of animals are there. For 3D view, you have to click on this 3D view, then it will be available by clicking a right click. Keep in mind a right click, I'm right saying right click, and then moving the mouse from one side to another side, either to and fro, then you can move this 3D object. So this is the Paint 3D. You can insert these types of pictures in various other softwares. For that I will make a different video. You can see that you can change the colors with the help of different options are available here. You can increase or decrease the size. You can toggle 3D and 2D from this switch. Here is a switch available. You can make different types of 2D shapes if you want to make. Here is the 2D shape. Various types of shapes are available there. If you want to make 3D shapes, then you can make various types of 3D shapes which are available. You can see here. Here is the 3D shape which is in the form of cylinder. If you want to rotate this, then you can rotate from here at any angle. If you want to change the size of this tube, then you can change like this. So it is very easy to use. You can adjust this more precisely than me. Then this type of the things you can do with the help of this. You can change light field, what kind of light you are producing from which direction. You can clearly observe the light shade is changes according to this position of this sun which is revolving around this color. In 3D library there are various types of different objects. You can browse it. So you can make this type of 3D objects and can be inserted into other software. So this was introductory video for two 3D making software. One was Blender and another was Paint 3D. You can use them according to your needs. In future videos, I will talk about how to use Paint 3D with other software like PowerPoint, Word, and also use it for making your videos and even virtual reality. So for then, you can subscribe the channel. If you have any kinds of question or any suggestions, please write into the comment section. Thank you very much.